What you reckon, cuz? Cuz you're cloud seeding. Someone has keyed in the word twat. So cheers whoever's done that. You've absolutely vandalised it. I'd get a young orphan child who's a lesbian and Jewish, put all the mods on it, yeah, full straight stage 2 intercooler, everything. And what I'd do, bro, I'd blind her and then I'd say, oh, the telescope did it and we need to stop telescopes worldwide. And then everyone would be like, oh no, that poor child, yeah, we need to get rid of telescope. That's what the government do, bro. They trick you around. I don't think the road's not wet enough there, innit, because it's just bare trees. There you go, that's your proof I can't handle it, man. Nearly became a part of the scenery. And it's fully spec'd, mate. Name one spec that it hasn't got. Look at that, mate. Everyone's got a Ford, a classic Ford, mate. We're rolling in your granddad's whip for Bants, mate, and you think we're not winning? Ah! Ah! Nearly smashed my pride and joy. New ding, latest ding. Why is it just turned off? What? Oh, I've just disconnected the fan. It seems solid, innit? Turn the tunes on, lad. MR2, what you reckon this suits me?
Yeah, well, it does.
You reckon?
Get like 2 or 3 grand. If you like,
I don't know, I feel like a little convertible car, they don't really suit me. I am smiling though, bro, genuinely, my chubbies are up, man. And the best part is the GoPro's not overheating my forehead today. I always come out looking like a Hindu, bruv. You step into the car, oh my god, hi! Oh my god, you're so beautiful! What is that, bro? Oil temperature, timer, boost bar. Taking a bird out, she steps in your car and you've got a boost bar. Fucking boost bar. Am I a dickhead, bro? Unless your girl is year 9 or below and she finds that stuff cool. That's gay. And that's gay, man. It looks like an AirPod case. This is why I don't like parking next to people. Because coincidentally, when you pull up in something naughty, someone dings your car.
Oh, Ali got boom boom dribbling in with car.
Yo, that's the 10. This is tragic. This is a tragic. Brother, how are we getting capped by the 108? We're doing 140.
That's traction fully off for you. That's 5th gear.
Can I film that from the outside? Oh, bro. I just contracted asthma. Put some wheels on it and he put a spoiler on and some skirting board.
We've got 3 parking tickets.
And we've got a vape with Eco Pro, gets 50 mpg per puff. And he's also done a fidget snake. That's a good mod, that. That's all the mod list. 1 litre, yeah? That's smaller than a bottle of Coke, G, and it's gonna... Yeah, no, I already know the conclusion. You're getting gapped about, let's see. Oh, the battle of the 1 litres and the diesel behind me. Oh, he's had me, bro. He's had me. Give me 1 more year, I'll come back in the 2 litre and then we'll run it again. Yeah. Oh, the 3-man step. Yes, cause you.
I've been driving.
Blood. That was nothing. That was about 45 miles an hour.
45, blood.
Yeah.
You know what though? The brakes are serious though.
Yeah.
Because
you got life insurance.
Have I got life insurance? Bro, I didn't pay the premium this month, so I'm not covered, bro.
What are you gonna do?
Nah, what are you telling me?
What are you telling me, cousin?
I let it off. She doesn't seem very happy.
I wonder why.
Now, I've spoken to you before about your driving.
Yeah.
You're not gonna go...
No, we're not going over the limit because...
Good. You know how I feel about that.
Yeah.
So if you can keep the speed down...
Of course.
Oh, careful. I would actually quite like the walk.
Well, no, I'll drop you off. I'll take you back.
I can't trust you.
I don't know, I'll go normal now.
Yeah, right, you go normal. But if you start messing about, no, that's it. That is it.
Are you being serious?
That is it. Pull over by these blue fence.
Being serious?
Yes, you can pull me over. You can pull over, okay?
No, I'll drop you off home.
No, I'm not.
No, I'm being serious. I'll just drive you home.
No.
It's fine. I'll stop being paid. 5 minutes.
No, I'm.
Oh, Rita, stop being silly, aren't you?
Aren't Rita to you.
Auntie Rita, stop being silly.
Yeah, no.
I'm gonna drive back to your house. It's 5 minutes. I'm gonna drive. If you open the door, then I have to stop.
No, stop. I don't want to twist my ankle.
No, I'll drive you home.
No.
Oh, stop being. Oh, she's just.
No.
Auntie Rita, stop being petty.
No.
You're just being. What was mileage when you had it, bro? 140,000. Cousin?
You're idiots. Clear off.
Nice.
Farmer. Come on.
I'm not driving.
Drive, man. Put your foot down on the clutch.
I can't. Why
And
does
then first
Before
gear.
I phone the farmer.
Bro, I feel like I'm on hazard perception. Like, there's a guy dying over there. There's a hazard there. There's a bin lorry. There's a male off. Bro, what in the hazard perception is happening? See, there's a policeman in there. So if you're ever flying down the motorway, be cautious. They're rolling a Royal Mail now. Oh, he's actually coming this way. I bet he's done an AMPR check. Sorry, Mandy, but we're not getting our motor seized today. Does this guy just take my photos? Bro, you're in the disability bus. When I fight to his photo, I go to jail, mate. Right, we've got a bit of subscribers now, so these days I do temp cover. But the problem is, we're not really happy with the quotes, so we kind of want to amend the car. They want a photo of the front of the thing. Oh, they're going to see your hand in it, though. Yeah, that's alright, innit? Yeah, they're onto us, bro. I can't even lie to you. Bro, it's the wrong number plate. Are we stupid? In what world is that ever going to work? Nah, you know what? This is plate reading technology, bro. Okay, let me just solve this issue off camera. Yeah, it's solved. Boys, sorry I didn't post a video last week. But I just couldn't be bothered, man. As you know, I tried to reply to all my comments with paragraphs of love speech. Woo! I can't insure one of them.
I won't be able to in a year. I just went in court last week for careless driving. I've got 6 points now.
Swear, 6?
Yeah, I ain't got to renew it till next year though.
F*** it.
Cross that bridge when I come to it, innit?
Enjoy for now then, innit? I can see it.
What you reckon to your first launch control?
Yo,
Round the bend as well.
Round the bend. Yes, people.
Come on.
Well, man. E6 on that. E6 on
We got off.
that. Yo,
It's cycling Mikey for pissheads.
yo, bro.
Are you like roll easy, enjoy your night?
If you're on some cycling Mikey shit, yeah, bro.
But I'm not on Michael and Psyche shit, bro.
Yeah, if you are on that, man,
Why are you like trying to pressure me for?
I'm not trying to pressure you, but
Yes,
if
you
you're
are
on
there trying to threaten me when I've just told you I'm not on no cycling Mikey
yo, bro,
shit.
don't move funny with me.
No one's moving funny with you. I've been cool with you as
Don't
well.
move funny with me, bro.
Yeah, but I'm just saying I'm not on no
cool,
cycling
cool,
Mikey
cool.
shit.
You're not on
It's
that.
calm.
No, man, it's just
Okay,
genuine
that's
because
cool.
we've
No,
been on
that's cool. I don't want to be on no
cycling
bad terms in it because karma's real, you get me? So I just want to be on fresh terms with you. And it's good to meet you too as well.
You know, you call TikTok, man, I see cycling.
Yeah, I know he's a dickhead, bro.
right.
It's got a chameleon tint on the speedo, and it's just ass. Like the door is just not attached. But since then, if I lock this one and open, wait, oh, there's just too many keys. Since then, wait, what? Oh, the key don't work. I'll open it manually. Since then, I've been to Bradford, me and my boy. We drove back in this one, and it was mint. Wait, was it that one? Right, I think the clutch is gone. I'll firm this in gear 3, bro. Alright, cool. No gear 4, so it's calm. No, look, because this one got a tattoo on the gear stick. This is the Bradford one. It's a 1.8. It's got leather seat. Wait, was the other... Does that one got a leather seat? Now, these are cloth. Wait, these mats are in the Bradford one. No, the Bradford one definitely had red mats. No, this one I got from Bradford. Now, what I was going to say, the drive home was mint. There was nothing... No, this isn't the Bradford one. One of them's a 1.8 and the Bradford one... No, I swear this is not promo. I'm actually going to check my last video. Steering wheel, same as this one. Grey bits on the wheel, same as... Okay, this is the Brum one. Wait, so what does that one have? Oh, yeah, the key don't work. Oh, it's the exact same steering. Okay. This is the Brum one. Confirmation because the vent was broken. So I'll show you the Bradford one. So me and my mate, we drove this back from Bradford. Oh wait, this one's also broken. One of these cars, me and my mate, we drove back from Bradford. No, come on, cuz, you know how it is. Why has yours got a screen on it though? Facelift. How comes we don't go around this shit? I'm new to cycling, innit? chatting to me about the law, bro. My man's illegal in himself. I will not let money come between me and my children, you lot. F***ing gorgeous. Not her, she's 12, I'm talking about the area. Before you f***ing weirdos. Now I've got a flipping tow bar, mate. Don't be chilling on my backside, because I will brake check you and your car's going to be written off clean.
I'm going fair, yeah, so...
I'm going to jump the start, boys. Huh? Yeah. How did he win in the casual? His car didn't even hit gear 2. Whoa, mate, you gotta move over, mate. It's Ramadan, not Ramadan away. And let me just find out the tour. You're not gonna mock my iPhone 7, bro. Don't like, look, I've got, this is even my main, this is my main phone, which is also a category S, don't get it twisted. No, we're nearly at speed limit. We've got 15 miles an hour to go. Oh, that's why, because I had my window down, is creating more drag.
That makes sense.
It's not even at the, broke the speed limit yet.
Yeah, it's nearly there.
Bro, my foot is hard down.
It's nearly there,
No, but now we're gonna catch up. It didn't.
Oh man, maybe next time.
Boys, if you want to do a top speed run in your Picano, you might need the M1. Saves the blurring guys from work, no, doesn't it? Let me get, look, sipping boba. It's tea, yeah, with balls in it. Does that not seem a little bit gay to you?
No, you're not going to do that again, are you?
What do you mean? We've only got like 2 minutes of footage. Aiming for a good 12.
Oh shit!
Wow, I thought you'd be scared. Sure, you're loving it.
No, I'm not scared. You know, you kind of bags.
So many in this royal family, innit? No wonder the Buckingham Palace is not even that big when you deep how many actually are in. You know, it's got 20 bedrooms. Yeah, but you've got 30 man in your family. Son, King, has he got a son?
William. He's in his 40s and he's got a little boy. Maybe his little boy watches your videos.
How old's the boy?
I don't know. He'll be in some next private school. Nah, if you laid a hand on him, bro, you'll get a life sentence deep.
Yeah, but
He'll be untouchable.
10 minutes with Uncle Andrew and he'll be touchable, mate.
You took a bite out of your seat.
Wait, I don't even fucking... Yeah, we're dealing with some budget builds around here, yeah. Lala, you lot think you did something, yeah? My car's at 1.3 and it's in limp mode and it's got a dent in the side, so shut up. Yo, do you man see the pigeon? Oh, what? It's got the 20D sideways, mate. Finally got that new office space I've been rooting for, and it's not got a pan roof, but it's only bloody got a... Watch this. I'll play some footage while this goes back. And there you go. Fucking sunroof, mate. Definitely not the worst place to drive in the UK. Whoa! Whoa! Fucking hell! Fucking hell! Don't go too close to the curb, innit? Because then what's the point? Yo, this is the longest piss I've ever had. Oh, rah! You greased up the roads, G. We just made Santa pod with our penis. You know what it is, bro? I had 3 litres of water last night. Okay, now the floor's wet. Santa piss. Is there enough room here? Taxi? What a fucking knobhead. As a man, how are you pressing the traffic light? Did you not think bad karma is going to come to you, that you've delayed like 20 people's days? Look, now I'm getting dusted by everything. What was I on about? Yeah, Red Leicester natural plonk. F that, I'm after the graded version. Car channel, need to remember this is a bloody car channel. Naturally aspirated, better than your lot's turbo.
Make sure you cover these plates.
I will cover these hot cars, man. People be cloning them and shit. Picasso, it's Picanto, innit? The whole video I've been calling it Picasso.
Here's a piece of art, I'm not gonna lie.
You just got no chin.
See how M3s have creases and all that?
That's not a crease, my brother, that's a dent.
You know what? I've come out of this experience, yeah, as a braver man. What's the brake horsepower in this? 250?
Nah, 400.
Bomber
400 brake.
Federale can't catch you in this then, blood.
No.
Are you listening? Let's go do a booting, yeah? And wait for the feds and just drive off, bro, just for the joke.
Got any
bro.
issues with anyone right now? We can pattern it.
Blood, shall I give you the address now?
Nah, I'm not trying to ride out for you, I'll be real. You're pushing 30, just let it go.
Let it go.
That's the same one.
Is it?
Another R8.
Why is it for? R8's on special offer or something? Buy one, get one free. I see you free in 3 minutes.
You got off, bro.
Dangerous, that one.
Bastard!
Bastard, what are you saying, my man?
What you doing? I'm in GTD. What are you saying? But this one had a nice dad. She respects her dad because it's got no body damage on it.
Yeah.
She's not trying to cut herself either. Everything's fine on it. It's a nun or daughter of a nun.
Yeah.
That's what this car is. She's Catholic. She's Muslim. She's Jewish. She's not Jewish. She's Volkswagen, bro. She's definitely not Jewish. I ever feel like ever since you've got it, she's just losing her virginity, you know? Like, didn't get to leave the yard for like 20 years. But she's not got mental health issues. She's lived up to it. She firmed it.
Yeah.
She's a warrior, man. She's a soldier.
She took it on board and fucking...
Took it on the chin like a man. Yo, what the fuck was that? Your splitter gun! Nah! Where's your splitter gun? What is that? I wonder how much it's going to set us back. Plate's still there. What's this? It's the splitter. The front splitter's come off. Oh, the tray's come off, man. It needs... Unscrew it. Oh, bro, I feel like I've been scammed, you know. Decided to check the bonnet because I thought, yeah, it's like we've got an MOT. We're gonna be fine, bro. That is tiny. That is so. Look, deep that. This looks alright. It's got coolant. Probably got oil as well then. Oh, have you watched Ali G? It's like that race. Man's racing to 40 miles an hour. Nah, I ain't getting dusted. I ain't getting dusted by a club, man. You dumb. Yo, what are you doing on this side of the road, you dickhead? Every time, I swear, man. Oh, I constantly nearly die. This channel's not gonna last long. Right, next comment, people that live in Birmingham down here. And then you replied with here. Now, this guy started his own Instagram poll and was the only one who participated. I replied to all my comments and even I didn't participate. You are a loser. I was gonna say, handle's alright, innit? Considering it's on some Durex tyres. Oh, fuck. What have we done? Right, there's a bit of a police chase going. Well, not a police chase, I'm just like a humble game of cat and mouse. This is a picture we took in it when we took it to Germany. Maxed it out 155. I reckon it had a limiter. Then I just hope the immigration lot don't check my passport. Realise there's never been a Germany stamp on it. Ain't T-packing shit. Oh, how am I gonna get out of this? Nah. Yo, he's right trying to pit maneuver me, bro. T-packy. The car's good, it's reasonably fun. Just make sure you keep it in race mode, yeah? Because imagine dying in eco. It's even got an eco mode. So that's if you're like super LGBT friendly. Yo. There's a dock. Bro, just move to the side. How are you running forward? You've got no survival instinct. Most videos on YouTube, including mine, you watch it and then when it's finished, you can't even remember what happened in it 30 minutes later. They're just meaningless.